Hello everyone, you are once again welcome to my channel. Thanks for all the time you have spent watching my video. I appreciate you. Today I'm bringing another banger, banger, making your laundry bar soap with just 2 ingredients. You heard me right, 2 ingredients. Just watch to the end and you will see where the 2 ingredients are there. Before the end of the production, you will see the 2 ingredients used. So what do I have here? What I'm holding is the one I'm holding now is the oil I'm using, and this is the caustic solution, lye solution. It's okay. So the oil I have there, I have 2 types of oil there. I have the PQ, I have the bleach palm oil, and then the caustic soda is in the other bowl. And so what is the next thing I'm going to do? I will be producing 2 different colors from this production with the use of the just 2 ingredients. So I share the lye solution into 2, and also the oil will be shared into 2. Just to remind us, I have an ebook there. The ebook contains a lot of recipe you can take care of at your own convenience. They are simple recipe you can take care of at your own convenience. Okay, so what you saw me do is that I pour the lye into the half of the oil, because like I said, I'm using 2 different kind of oil. So you turn and mix as much as possible. Please, let's avoid thick trace, and it's advisable you warm your oil when your lye is not hot, so make sure your oil is a bit warm. Okay, so still mix it, and then I will pour the color I want to change. This is magenta color. You can get pink color from it. Okay, so just make sure you use the color you want. Okay, yes, this color later came out very much. Yes, I should have just dropped little. All the same, is just a tutorial class. Okay, so you mix it, and then it came out well. Please do like it, share it, and then subscribe. As you do that, God will bless you. Okay, your business will blossom. Thank you. Share it. Let others hear about it, because as it goes further, others are reaching it. Of course, it will be benefiting others. Okay, thanks so much. I appreciate you for doing that. And if you are yet to like it, what are you waiting for? Please do like it. Like it. Okay, and then so still went ahead pouring the color. And then to remind us again, I run free online classes. Of course, I run paid one too, so you can reach me on the number written on your screen. Always available. The number is always on. Okay, so having mixed it very well, the next thing I'm doing is to pour it into the mold. I'm using this mold for tutorial. You can use the mold of your own. And then, like somebody said, if you want to make larger quantity, what do? Just go ahead and multiply the recipe, the quantity of the recipe I use to make your own larger volume. Okay, the kind of mold I use, if you can, just don't pour it direct like that, just oil your container. Because of the when you want to mold it, you can put a little oil in your container. Okay, so the first set of the color is ready, and so while we wait for the second color, to remind us again, I do live training, that is on live training. You can have that, and if it's online one you want, and then you can go ahead and then join anyone that is convenient for you. My line is always on. Okay, so while we wait for the second color, you know, the oil was divided into 2, and also the lye solution. Okay, so we have to wait for this one to be a bit strong before we put the second color. Why that? So that the color does not mix with each other. So you can just give it a cover while we wait for it to solidify. Okay, while we wait, please do subscribe. I appreciate you. I'm not taking you for granted. Thanks so much for the old subscribers, and you that is yet to subscribe, thank you already in advance. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. And so we have the second set of the oil here, and then we, of course, the second part of the light solution. You remember I said we are using what? 2 ingredients to make this laundry bar soap. Just 2 ingredients. I've not forgotten. I'm still going to let you know the 2 ingredients. You'll have seen it, but I will still point you to it. Okay, there I mix the oil. The oil is a bit warm. You can see the way I feeling it is a bit warm. And why does it have to be warm? So that it doesn't form thick paste quickly. Okay, it doesn't form thick paste quickly. Okay. So there I pour the lye solution, and almost immediately it's thickening. Okay, so that doesn't waste our time. So the two ingredients we are using are the what? The oil and the lye solution. Yeah, the lye solution and the oil. Okay, so what do we do now? We can now put this color on the other pink color we have done before. That one is already strong now. It's already strong because I did water this count. The water is not too much. Unlike some people that make the same mistake of wanting the soap to be much, and so they use excess water, and such takes the soap very long time to dry, very long time to be strong. That is if it's going to be strong at all. Excess water doesn't make you make ghee without getting anything to solidify it. You need to reach me. I will tell you what to do if you must add excess water to it, and then what will make it to stabilize. Okay, all the same we have covered it with this second color, and just cover it like I said. If you cover it, it also helps to remove soda ashing. Soda ashing. What do I mean by soda ashing? The white particles on your soap. Covering it will also hinder the interaction of the carbon dioxide in the air to mix with your soap. Okay, so just give it a cover, and then we leave it. When it's strong, when it's well solid now, I come back to show us. Okay, yeah, it is already done. Very strong. You can see the 2 colors coming out. If you look closely at the side of this, you could see that the sides are rough because there was no oil in our plastic, so bringing it out was a bit difficult. So that's why I say when you are using that kind of mold I use, make sure you put oil in your container so that it will be easier to remove. All the same, our solid laundry bar soap is ready, and we made it with only 2 ingredients. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye, and God bless you. Keep selling, keep making progress. See you in my next